So this is a dad special. He made it several years ago, way back when Kubota wanted $2,000 for a cab for this tractor. Well, we didn't have $2,000 to buy a cab for this tractor. So he used some plexiglass that he got his hands on, some plywood, stuff laying around, some hinges. You can see it's pretty roomy in there. I'll show you a picture of me sitting in it. Got a back panel that pops out. It all goes together pretty quick and pretty easy. Side panel over here. Small rug. Just helps seal up the bottom. Small rag screwed to the panel that helps seal up the cracks here, keep the wind from sucking up in. So basically the front piece just sits over top of the motor, goes down, then the roof sits on top of this front piece, and here's the roof piece. Sits on top of these pieces of wood that are strapped to the rollover protection devices. Screws together, then throw on your right side panel, screws on, throw on the little side panel on the left, throw on the door, throw in this back panel. Done. It's not heated, but you get some engine heat that rolls back on it. And as old as this thing is now, this cab's probably 7 or 8 years old. You know what? It keeps the wind off you. It keeps the snow and crap off you. It does its job. Total investment he had in it, 20 bucks. So how can you go wrong with that? $20 for something that's lasted this long. And at whatever point, you know, the wood rots out or whatever, just use it for pattern and build a new one. So I'll show you up on the top. Just straight wood at the moment. On the seam right there, there's a piece of shingle, I think, attached so it wouldn't leak, but you could always use some ice and water shield, something like that. Stick it on there, help seal that up better if you wanted. You know what? It's not the prettiest thing in the world. Wasn't made in a factory, but it gets the job done.